Valentine's Day. You guys are going to do a fun Valentine's activity. You're going to need the little box of conversation hearts from your February kit and this paper. One side says Candy Heart Math. The other one says Valentine's Fractions. If you lost this paper, you can look on PowerSchool and you will see it says, here's the worksheet if you lost it, page 1 and 2. You won't be able to write on it, but you can at least see it and still do the activity. If you lost or ate this already, you could try, if you have Smarties or Skittles, you could use those instead, or you may just have to make up your numbers for this part. I'll explain that in a minute, and then you'll just do the rest of activities with your fake numbers. So here we go. On your paper, it says, how many candy hearts do you predict you have? So for that, you're going to take a guess. You can open them up. You can dump them out. That is fine, but don't count them yet. So I'm going to look at them, and they do leave some dust behind. I noticed it's kind of messy, so you may want to like put them on another plate or something. So you're going to dump all of them out, and you're going to guess. Don't count them. I think this looks like I have maybe 16. I don't know. Guess how many you have. Then how many do you have is the next question. So really count them this time. The next section, make a tally mark for each heart that you have. So here's a white heart. I'm going to draw a tally mark in that box. And then an orange one. So I'm going to keep going until I have all of mine separated so that I can see how many of each kind that I have. Then you're going to make a bar graph with that information. So if I only have 2 white, I'm going to color in 2 boxes above white, which I have more than, actually, no, I only do have 2 white. That kind of worked out. And you're going to make yourself a little bar graph. Then answer the questions. What color do you have the most of? What color do you have the least of? Then it tells you to sort your candy hearts in different ways. So you can do it by color, by message, by number of words. Obviously, if you're not using candy hearts, then you might only be able to do color, but that's okay. How many candy hearts does it take to go across your hand? So try it. Put them across your hand, and you can decide if you want to go this way or that way. Then when you get to the back side, oh, I'm going to get crumbs everywhere. Let me put those in. When you get to the back side, now we get to do some fractions. So you already did this part, and I don't have any purple, so I'll put a 0. But we know that I had, actually, you know what? This one doesn't have white, so I'm going to change my purple to white. And I had 2. So remember, fractions represent parts of a whole. So for this one, what fraction of them are purple? I mean white. So I have 2 purple. That would be the, I don't know my colors. I have 2 white out of how many total candy hearts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So the top part is the parts shaded, or the parts that you have. The bottom one is the total number of hearts. You'll do that for each one. Then answer the questions below. We've got a bunch of questions here. How many hearts can you stack on top of each other before they fall? So try that out. Next question, write the fraction of how many of your hearts have the words love on them. So you have to actually look, and it could be spelled love like that. It could be spelled L-U-V. Read all the messages on your hearts, then pick one that you think fits for a grown-up in your house and go give it to them. So if it says love you and you love your dad, go give it to your dad, whatever. And then use the stopwatch on your computer and time how long it takes a heart to completely dissolve if you suck on it, no crunching. So you're going to put it in your mouth and just suck on it, and we'll use that stopwatch. So you're going to go, if you go down to the bottom bar, yours will have a white bar, and you'll type in the word. It says right on there at the bottom of your thing, type in the word clock. You'll open up alarms and clock. You're going to click on the tab that says stopwatch. Again, that's all on your paper. And so then you'll go ahead, and as soon as you put it in your mouth, start it and just suck on it and see what time is it on the little stopwatch when it's completely dissolved. All right, go have fun with your Valentine's candy heart. And oh, by the way, at the end, you can eat them all if you want. Enjoy! Bye.